Why? Yeah, we've got to be a bit quiet because, you know,
we're going to be considerate.
Yes, it's nice and peaceful here. So we're at the Duke's Hotel.
In the Palm.
Yeah.
And it's absolutely amazing here, guys. It's so nice and it's so beautiful. We will do a little tour for you guys so you can see.
It's a nice 5-star hotel. It's a British hotel. So, you know, if you're traveling from the UK, it's very convenient.
And the location where it's situated is amazing as well.
The weather's beautiful, at least it's not 40 degrees.
So we have Lazy River here, guys. It goes all the way where the second pool is, which is further down that area there, and then we have the beach after that. RJ! Infinity pool, it's absolutely lovely and it's quite deep as well. And we have a restaurant here. So calm, relaxing, white sand and turquoise water. Check it out, guys.
For our 10th anniversary.
I wonder who already tucked in, huh?
Oh yeah, I had to actually have the other plate. It did say 10th anniversary on there. But I had to do that. Nice TV. I mean, it's not as big as we're usually used to, but it does the job. It is really quite nice for the size that it is. Let's take you outside. Sea view. As you can see, all the buildings. I'm not sure what they are yet. We've just got here. You've got a little kitchenette area where it's got a microwave. Even though they've got restaurants in the hotel, you can have half board, full board, bed and breakfast. So you've got a sink, got some cabinets. Look at this, you've even got a fridge freezer.
Pots and pans here as well. So
oh, look at that.
Fancy like cooking.
There you go.
Oven,
signature HRJ cooking.
We should do some cooking.
Not bad. Here. This is actually quite helpful, you know.
Oh,
so,
how cute!
Look
Two
at
of each.
Two of each. You got a coffee maker and then some
waters
and then a safe.
And a praying mat as well. So we've got robes there, guys, and slippers right at the bottom there as well.
All in all, even though it's not massive as you can see, it still does a nice job.
It's nice and cute.
So we've got ourselves an Indian breakfast today.
And you're gonna check it out, guys.
Samosas, we've got paratha bread, cheese and mushroom. Look at that, let me just cut through it.
Oh, wow.
Look at that, look at that, how creamy that is.
Oh, that is so good.
All cheese and everything in there. Fried, crispy fried onions, which is about, it's a breakfast chana masala.
Oh, how delicious.
But we add the crispy onions to the top of it.
Let's just appreciate that for a second.
Look at the view of that. Look how much flavour there is in that. I can't wait. I'm going to have to go straight into the chana masala. So let's go in.
Check it out.
Get a bit of onion in that. Yeah. Oh,
So
it's chilli as well.
Oh.
Look at that. And then what we're going to do is just scoop the sauce with the paratha. Just scoop it all up. Yeah.
RJ. How is that? I feel like I can taste that by the way.
Oh my god. And it's got nice. It looks so spicy, but for breakfast they kept it quite mild. Not mild, but medium. It's got nice spicy, sour taste in there. Oh, I love fresh hot.
Veggie day, guys.
Potatoes are so creamy.
Oh, it's
because this sauce is so delicious, I'm gonna try and fill it up. Look at that, almost becoming like a matcha. We've got this like tap flavour in there. Keep it traditional. Although this is a mushroom and cheese omelette. When you get this, look at that.
oh,
nice little triangle.
you're going all out.
Nice little triangle. Roll it up like that. And let's see what the cheese has in store for us.
Oh yes. Oh.
Cheese and mushroom paratha omelette. Put some of these onions in there. These onions. Let's go omelette. Chana.
Oh, did you just chuck the omelette in there as well?
Now let's go in.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh. I'm gonna have 1 spoon of this. Oh my god. Omelette with the paratha dunked into that. Americans love this as their breakfast. We love a full English or a full Indian, and this as our breakfast dessert. When you guys go on holiday, make sure you watch our videos before you go.
Thank you.
You can be enjoying this. Cheers.